This is problem number 23 from the August 2014 Algebra Regents exam. In this question we're given the function h of t equals negative 16t squared plus 144. And that function represents the height, h of t in feet, of an object from the ground at t seconds after it's dropped. And we need to find what a realistic domain for this function is. So I think it might be helpful to kind of visualize what this would look like graphically. Because we're dropping an object from a height, I could imagine that it starts up here and then kind of as time moves on it slowly falls to the ground like this. And we know that h of t, or our height, would represent the y-axis, and then the x-axis would be our t, or our time. So because we're looking for the domain, we're interested in t, or time. So right off the bat we can ignore option number 3, because that involves h of t, not t. Now, obviously, because we're talking about time, the starting value, or the minimum value, is 0. We can't start with negative time. It just doesn't make sense. So, in the end, it's got to be option number 2, because option number 1 starts at negative 3, and that just doesn't make sense. We also know that it's not all real numbers, because eventually this object that's been thrown is going to hit the ground and stop the experiment. The time's not going to last forever, right? It's not going to the object's not going to fall forever. So it makes sense that it must be option number 2. Okay, and that is all for this video. Hope it was helpful, and thanks for visiting JD's Regents Preparation.